Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a little bit different style video. It's more vlog based because we're going to do a review of a new plant-based restaurant that's located in Central Orlando. And we're excited to check it out for the first time. Their business has existed for a couple years already, I believe so, but they were constructing a new location and they've partnered up with another company. I'll probably mention the details once I find out when we get there, but basically we're on our way there now, and we'll do a review of whatever we order and just show you a little bit pictures. Maybe if they let us record, we can do some clips. But the official opening was yesterday, and the name of the business is Leguminati. So they have an Instagram account. I believe they have a Facebook account, but you can Google them. And if you're ever in Orlando, or if you know anybody in Orlando, you can tell them to check out this place, because I love supporting places that are all about eating holistically, plant-based foods. I know I looked at the menu online and they have a variety of like sandwiches and wraps, and I mean even fried foods, but if it's something that you like, once in a while it doesn't hurt. And I'm just very excited. I know they also sell coffee. Oh, the business that they partner with, I think it's called Foxtail, and it's a coffee-based business here in Orlando. So I'll give you all the details the right way. I want to make sure I give you the right information as soon as we get there and we check it out. So with that, I'll see you soon. Welcome to the Viva Naturally channel, where we help you to manage your energy and health to boost performance. Okay, so we are ready to do a taste test. This one is, what's the name of this one? I'll post the name of the actual sandwich here, but it's got like chicken substitute, artichoke. It's like a chicken artichoke sandwich. So it's got some artichoke, lettuce, tomato, and it's a panini like pressed, with like some lettuce, I think. So, and cheese. So my mouth is getting really watery right now. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, I'm ready to dig in. So let's take the first bite and see how it goes. It's pretty big. So this is how it looks. It looks really nice. So let's see. First bite was good, but I didn't get enough of the chicken substitute, so I'm going to take one more bite and then I'll rate it from 1 through 10. So let's see. The spices are on point. So the seasoning is good. It's not like too spicy. It's normal to me. I rated it a 9. It tastes really good. The reason why I rated a 9 is because me personally, I mean, it depends on what you like, but I would have liked the bread to be thinner. I like crunchy, thinner type than spongy, but it's just the type of sandwich, and it's okay. So if you like that, then good. But what's inside of it, it's really good. So give it a try. And this is was it OG Taco Crunch? OG Crunch. I'll put the right name of it after we find out what it really is named, but it looks like a taco, like one of those Taco Bell's crunch, like chalupas, whatever you call them. So let's see how they are. The other one was out of like substitute chicken, and this is like substitute beef. It's got like sour cream and cheese and like beef and lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Usually it doesn't come with avocado, but this one does. Like you can add sauces like ranch and whatever in addition to whatever you want in case you want more sauciness in your life. I don't know. Okay, so let's give it a try. Completely different than the chicken sandwich. Spicy. I would say a little bit more spicy than what I would like, but the flavors are there. I like that it's in a wrap. I like the wrap style better than like thick bread, and that it's like roasted or pressed, crunchy. I like the freshness that the avocado gives it. Sour cream, I've never really cared about sour cream, so it's just there. But it's definitely different, and I would rate it a 7. The sandwich I rated a 9. But I think if I can have what was in the sandwich in this wrap, it would be a 10. So I don't know if they can modify that for me next time, but just a thought for you to consider. But pretty good. I'm back home, and as I was heading out of this place that I really, really enjoyed actually, and I recommend that you check out, I saw a banana bread. So just to clarify, at the beginning of the video I mentioned that it's a partnership between the Foxtail Coffee, which is based out of here in Orlando, and then a partnership between them and Leguminati, which is actually plant-based food, sandwiches, actual food, and I think some liquor too. They sell wines and beers. The place inside, from what you can tell out of the pictures and the videos, it's very vintage style, wood, lights. It's a nice atmosphere. There were some people there that were working on their laptops, which is really nice. People there just chatting, people in groups or by themselves. So it's a nice place to hang out. During the day, which is when I went, it looked really chill. At night, it may be even better with the lights. So maybe another time I'll go back in there and I'll see how it feels and how it looks during nighttime. But what I wanted to tell you now is that on my way out, I saw some banana bread. And I really cannot say no to banana bread, especially after eating such a savory meal. And it's not made there. It's from a bakery that's literally 5 minutes away from this place. It's called Valhalla Bakery. So this is where the banana bread came in, and don't worry, I have it right here so you can see my taste test. Valhalla Bakery is a bakery that is really well known in Central Florida, in Orlando specifically, for all of its produce, donuts, cakes, parfaits. I mean, all of the bakery foods that you can think of, they have. Cupcakes, cookies, brownies, and they make their own things, and they're very creative. Everything is plant-based. So their location, you can check them out on Google and see where they are, but they're pretty close. So I wasn't surprised to see something from them, from Valhalla Bakery, in this new place, because they support each other. Even though there could be competition, you know, they're different, they both sell food and what have you, it's good to support each other so that more people can buy healthier options. So I did get my banana bread loaf, and it's right here, and it smells amazing. But you know, I couldn't say no to this, in addition to my cup of coffee, which I have right here. And I actually have a recipe for this coffee. It's made from organic coffee. It's got cardamom, cinnamon, and my favorite coffee creamer, which is made out of almonds. And I'll post a link to that video below, so make sure you check it out right after this one. But for now, I'm going to let you know how this specific banana bread tastes. I've made some on my own, And if you're interested in getting a banana bread recipe, put a comment below saying, yes, I want the recipe, so that we can make a video for you, because I've made carrot cake, banana bread, I've made regular cake, vanilla, marble. Usually baking is not like my strength or what I love to do, because I'm not so much of a sweet tooth. So that's why I haven't had a banana bread in so long, because it's usually not something that I would like go out and buy, even though they're, you know, pretty central. The location is pretty central. So I'm gonna tell you how this one tastes like, so that if you are in Orlando and you want to try some banana bread, you know where to go. Now, I don't know if the Foxtail / Leguminati location that we were just at, if they always have these banana bread slices there, but I wouldn't be surprised, because they're a coffee place. And by the way, they have soy milk and almond milk there, so like if you don't want like dairy cow milk, you can have that option. But this goes really well with coffee, so I'm not surprised if they always have banana bread in there. They also had muffins. I think it was like a cinnamon sugar muffin, but I would 100 million times prefer banana bread. So let's get right into it. As far as texture goes, it's very it's moisty enough, like regular banana bread. The smell is amazing. So that's the reason why I like banana bread, actually, because it's not too dry or like too moisty. So let's try it out and see. Perfect. Wow. Wait. No way. Oh, this is so good. What? I've been missing out on this every day. I'm making banana bread every day now. Like, forget it. This is like my dessert. I've said this to other people, but people don't believe me. It's literally my favorite dessert, banana bread. Like, over cookies, over brownies, over any other type of cake. I don't know any type of dessert, donuts, or even, this is what I prefer, because I love bananas and I love how moisty it tastes. So, banana bread brought to you by Valhalla Bakery. Taste tested by yours truly, Juliana from Viva Naturally. I rated a 10, an 11 out of 10. It tastes perfect. So like I said, I'm not a sweet tooth person. So for me, any type of dessert, I'm really picky with my desserts, because I don't like them when they're too sweet. So when they have like sugar on top and then they have sugar inside, like it's too much, right? Maybe because I'm not used to that amount of sugar in general. But this is perfect. It does not have too much sugar, and it has the flavor. I wish it had, so maybe let me knock it down to 10 out of 10 instead of 11 out of 10. I wish it had walnuts in them. The banana bread that I've made before has walnuts, and it just makes it 10 times better. So let me know if you do want a recipe, and if you do go to Valhalla Bakery or Foxtail Coffee / Leguminati, let me know too and what you try, because they have so many other things on the menu that I'm gonna keep going and trying something else, and then obviously to support them. But remember to check out the recipe for this coffee, because this is just like, it's glory. It's just, if this is what heaven tastes like, I'm ready. I didn't put any sugar, or I usually don't put that much sugar in my coffee, but it doesn't have any, it doesn't need anything from, because then, you know, you don't take any flavor away from the banana bread. But all right, so I'm gonna go right to continue on finishing this deliciousness, and I hope that you like this review. If this is something that you want to continue to see, maybe as I travel to other countries and visit different cities, take a little vlog video to show you what's around that's good to eat, and maybe something related to fitness, not only like nutrition and like eating habits or food. Let me know too in the comments below, so we make more of these vlog style unplanned, because I wasn't even planning on making this video, but I figured, hey, I'm going to this place, let me share this with somebody else if they're interested in coming and checking it out, and share this video with other people so that they can too learn about this place, you know. So All right, until next time, I hope you have a good one. Bye.